I'm surrounded by antiques. Yeah.
Take our business.
Yeah. So these are rotary phones, and usually people these days don't know how to operate them because they're not tone dialing. So what you do is you pick up the handset, obviously, and I have my phone on the other hand. So what you do is for example, let's just do a local number-ish, 1. So what you do is you put your finger in the number, rotate it all the way, and then let it go. 1, 0. For example, a local number. And every single time, you notice how every time you do this, the amount of time it takes, basically, the amount of time it takes goes longer as you get farther along here. So that's how the phone knows what number you dialed. Every time you use the modern phone and you pressed a button, it would release a specific tone, and that's how the phone system would know. This is called pulse dialing, and the length of the pulse determines the number. So yeah, now you know how these things work. And you also know why the lower the phone number, the older the system you're calling.
I'm crazy all for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle.